just getting warmed up. Now back to Heathcliff.
We'll be ready to leave on our vacation soon, Heathcliff. I'm packing your suitcase now.
I hope she packed enough cans of sardines. It's gonna be a long weekend. Yeah, I may not know art, but I know what I like. Yeah, watch this, boys. I'm gonna make sure Spike don't forget me while I'm on my vacation. Here comes Heathcliff! Hi there, art lover.
Heathcliff! Where'd he go?
Oh, I'm just about out of breath. I'm only human, you know. Chasing Spike used to be a lot easier.
Heathcliff!
Here, boy.
Looks kinda suspicious to me. Time to go sleepy bye?
You can't do this to me, Spike. It's embarrassing. I'm too worn out to move.
You're losing your touch, Heathcliff.
Why'd Heathcliff let Spike do that to him?
Heathcliff just don't have it no more.
I guess I need a vacation worse than I thought. Maybe the fresh air will do me good.
Heathcliff! What happened to you, Heathcliff? It looks as if you need a vacation as much as the rest of us.
Oh, this is the life. There's nothing like fresh country air to improve one's appetite for sardines. Ew! Feathers and sardine oil don't mix.
You look like some kind of strange bird.
I ain't never seen a bird with so much meat on him.
Now there's a real bird.
Yum, yum.
Drat!
My baby.
Now, wait a minute. Who was catching who?
Look, that eagle's got Heathcliff.
A fat bird like that won't get away from me so easy.
What a view from up here. Thanks for the ride. Where are we?
You're home again, baby. Now don't fall out of the nest anymore, and Mama will bring you a nice snack.
If eagles eat worms, this won't be much of a vacation. I gotta get out of here. Now, which way to the campsite? Hey, Leo, do you know where I could find the nutmeg campsite?
Oh!
Yeah, I understand your mistake, Leo, with all these feathers. But I'm a cat, just like you.
Oh!
Well, I'd love to stay and chat, but I really gotta go.
My
it to him, Mom.
Big bad lion make you molt early.
I don't have feathers now because I'm a cat. Get it? A cat.
Sure you are, dear. Now you play nice while Mama gets you something to eat. And try not to fall out of the nest again.
She's nice, but she got birdseed for brains.
Well, what is it?
Leo, it don't make sense for a country cat to fight a city cat. We ought to be pals, buddies.
Well?
You ought to take better care of your teeth, Leo. When's the last time you saw a dentist? Hey, this is hard work. I gotta stop and use my brain. I wonder how can I get Leo and Mom to take care of each other? What do Leo and Mom have in common? Me. That's what. Yeah, let's see. The square root of the hypotenuse is equal to... Hey, here comes one of the featured players now.
Here, bitey. Here, bitey.
That doofus is making it too easy for me. All you gotta do is use your brains, which I have a lot of.
Here, bitey. Here, bitey. Bitey!
Here, Leo, would you hold this for a second? Sucker.
Uh-oh.
Oh, no.
No, wait!
Here she comes now, right on schedule.
What is that lion doing with my tree? Coming, baby!
That was a close one. Not again!
You brute! You can't deny chopping down my tree with that axe still in your hand. And what have you done with my baby? And where's my nest?
If you can't outrun them, you can always outsmart them. Strategy. Yeah, that's the answer. Now to get back to the nutmeg campsite so that I can relax at last. If I'd have had time to think about this before, I'd have noticed that I can use more strategy at home, too. Oh, I can't wait to try it out.
Hey, we better go. Here comes Heathcliff.
I ain't afraid of Heathcliff no more. Don't you remember what he was like before he left?
Hiya, boys. You know I don't like you sitting on my steps. Lowers the tone of the neighborhood.
Yeah, we know.
So that's the way it is, eh? In that case, I'd like to show you some strategy I learned on my vacation. Come on.
What's strategy?
Don't fry your brains thinking about it. Let's see what the orange ball of fur has to show us.
Loo-tooty-doo-doo-doo-doo-doo-doo. Watch very carefully now, boys. Here comes Heathcliff.
Yo!
Heathcliff!
Well, what do you know? 3 autistic-type cats.
Voila! The dog chases the cats, and all's well with the world. Nothing like a vacation to brighten your outlook on life. You know, when cats look like they're fighting, sometimes they're just playing with each other. If you have 2 cats who fight, you shouldn't punish the winner. Most of the times, they're just trying to establish who's the boss.
I'm winning! I'm winning!
I guess they'll have to learn who really is boss.